Good evening guys. Ni ako karon sa Municipality of Laak, Davao, Province of Davao de Oro. Witness sa ilang switching on of their lights on their big tall Christmas tree. So karon atong gisita pang atong drone para makakuha kita drone footage. Kay sumala pa sa informasyon ang ilahang activity karon is switching on their lights on their Christmas tree. Big tall Christmas tree and a fireworks fireworks display. This cost thousands of pesos. So atong witnessan ang maong activity. So pagkakaroon ato nang ready ang atong drone. Uban sa akong mga kauban sa kalihukan. Uban usab sa amo ang manager sa surveillance TV sa PTV Dabnor, si manager George Pangandoyon, dadilabs ng bayan. Kining among paghimog drone coverage ubos kini sa approval sa atong pinalanggang mayor diya sa Laak, si Mayor Antonio Aying Libuangan. Uban sa iyang vice mayor nga si Honeyboy Libuangan, ang iyang pinalanggang anak ug ang mga konsihalis sa iyang lungsod. Uban sa iyang peace and order officers nga naa diha karon. Daghang salamat sa inyong paghatag namo og kahigayunan pagkuha og drone footage sa inyong activity karong gabi. Una, 6th night of December 2024. So muna guys no ang partial aerial photo footage nga atong nakuha sa ilahang activity. Ana sila'y tall big round Christmas tree. Ana ay mga decorated different kinds of colors. Ana usay mga nagkalain-laing mga boat nga nagpalibot sa maong Christmas tree. Kanang mga boat diha, according to the information we have taken, that represents each barangay where it under the municipality of Laak, province of Davao de Oro. So kanang mga boat diha usa kana sa mga kalihukan nga nahimo ubos sa pagtambayayong pinanguluhan sa ilang mga pinanggang kapitan sa tagsa-tagsa sa mga baryo kon asa sila nahimutang. Karon taud-taud atong makita ang ilahang view kon ang maong Christmas tree ay simultaneously switching on of lights together. See, nakita na ninyo gi-switch na ang maong Christmas tree under the mayoralty leadership of Engineer Mayor Antonio Ang Libuangan. So ano nakita nato ang kanindot sa maong Christmas tree. Misiga na. Nasab ang mga palibot mo siga, ni siga. Hayag kayo atong makita ang mga tao. Sorry kayo guys nga ang atong drone habog ra kayo. Atong gituyo nga aron makita ang mga tao sa ubos kun unsa og pipila ka mga tao ang naghugok og nag-ipon ni anha aron lamang pagtambong sa waong kalihukan sa kada tuig nga pagahimuon sa mga mayor nga diin mo'y nagdala sa pangagamhanan. So daghan kaayo. Sa sunod higayon ato kining ubos-ubusan o pahabugan aron makita ang mga hingtungdan. After nini usab kitay drone coverage nga close contact with the people around there. You can see and witness this The next video will be coming. So nagkidlap-kidlap ang mga Christmas tree. Nagkalain-lain ang colors. Dili madugay, mugawas ang fireworks display. Misamot na og kanindot, nga misiga na amang palibot sa nagkalanglaing bot og milupad na usab ang mga fireworks. Nga mao'y naghatag og kalandag view ibabaw sa kawanangan. Makita nato nindot kaayo view, beautiful, very beautiful. That is ingredients, nutrients for eyes of human being. The people are shouting, expressing their happiness inside their hearts. Since this time is a Christmas season, that is why the people coming there to witness or express their feelings of happiness that they have experienced it before. On the same night, the 6th night of December every year, 2024. So we try to cover the center point of where the fireworks is displayed. Nindot kayo guys, ang tanawon. Mura na siya, it looks like Christmas Day, Christmas night, but still we are in the 6th night of December, but it look like December 25th, 2024. This is how the municipality of Laak, province of Davao de Oro, doing, exercising, just to give a pleasure to their people living in that municipality. This is under the leadership of Honorable Mayor Antonio Ing Libuangan. Uban sa iyang Vice Mayor nga iyang pinalanggang anak nga si Honey Boy Libuangan. So expected much more than this coming 24th night of December, celebrating the 25th night Christmas Day of the year 2024. So ninot kayo guys ang maong fireworks display. So ayaw ka mo kalimot sa pag-subscribe sa akong YouTube channel, likes and share, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified once another video is uploaded. So you can see where I see, you can come where I come, you can witness what I witness. So mag-uban kita, kung asa ako, tuwasab ka mo, ug makaingon ka mo, wow, Laak, very wonderful, beautiful performance. So it may be happen in my place where I stay, in the municipality where I belong. Nindot kayo guys. This is one way of giving importance the people living of Laak, that their governments under the leadership of Mayor Antonio Ing Libuangan is looking for the happiness, the satisfaction, the feelings of gratitude to their municipal mayor. They are up there for also not only in physical improvements but also in spiritual involvements in all activities they are doing in their municipalities. So guys, nindot kaayo. According to them, when the smoke is coming out and going down, the activities is about to an end. Nindot kaayo. Ako mismo nakawitness o nakakita sa maong activities. Nindot kayo kung time of happiness, time of also bonding with the family. So if ever you have like this in your own municipality, just try to come and see, witness how it happens, so that you can see an activity where you are excited. You see, you can see the flare that is coming up, then it will break into like that. So nindot kayo. You can feel also what I feel. See na matong makita no ang ubos nga view. Mura na siya og kanang smoke no, mura na siya og the smoke is look like a clouds. You are standing above the clouds. The clouds is covering the what is below on it. So when the smoke is coming away, just like the sky is moving away from its origin. So you can see how it look like their Christmas tree when lighted with different boats around on it. Peoples are gathering anywhere around within the perimeter of that location. So people are moving happily from one place to place just to make their remembrance picture taking. See, the whole area around that place, the municipal plaza was filled, full of people around. But there is no problem because the peace and order people are there, ready to make it happen without any problems. So guys, nindot kayo tanawon sa ibabaw. Imong makita as if you are above looking on it. That is how our creators are watching us far away. He can see what we can't see. He can touch what we can touch. He can do what we can't do. So it is He who controlled everything. So what we have now is only a tip of the Lord's finger. So nindot kayo no. So we come going down. See, to have a little bit closer look below. So we have also allowed to make it flown our drone at the center of the people near the Christmas tree. So this time we are about to land. So I will be repeat again. Thanks for watching, viewing. So come and be with me on the next video so that you can see whatever happen on my YouTube activity. Salamat kayo guys. No? The drone is about to land. So bye. See you next time. Have a nice sleep tonight. God bless everyone.